Introduction to the PowerCDI M2. This is a short introductory video on some of the features of the PowerCDI M2. Designed for all KTM and Husqvarna TPI bikes, including the new 2020 models, which are fully supported, the new M2 model is the evolution of the classic PowerCDI, which was used on carburetor bikes. All features of the classic PowerCDI are featured by the M2 as well, including the dynamic power control traction control and the famous, original, anti-pipe bang function. Like the classic PowerCDI, the M2 offers a rich real-time telemetry and a powerful and precise inertia dynamometer that lets you assess performance and is also an extremely useful aid when you want to make your own maps. Our new ECU integrates a Bluetooth interface and, just like the previous model, unrestricted, complete software standard. Installation of the PowerCDI M2 is very easy and straightforward and was covered in the previous video. With a PowerCDI M2 ECU, you can freely remap all ignition maps, fuel maps, oil maps, and more. You can map from scratch using the legacy mapping system as found in the classic PowerCDI, which offers unlimited mapping detail, or opt for the new, user-friendly, cell-based map system. Mapping is such a vast topic that we cannot address it in such a short introductory video, but we will dedicate specific videos to it. However, we want to mention our special console. In other words, with M2 ECU and its optional console, you can even map in real time while you ride the bike, for immediate feeling and feedback. At times, you might find yourself in a situation suggesting you to prime the oil injection system. With the other ECUs, it takes several minutes to start the priming procedure, and you must have the wake-up connector always with you. Now imagine if this happens when you are racing, when every second is precious. With the PowerCDI M2, you don't need the wake-up connector at all. It takes literally 1 second to start all priming and many other procedures, and you don't need anything that is not already on the bike. You have just to hold the kill switch button and twist the throttle a number of times, depending on the function you want to activate, then release the kill switch. Just that. For oil pump priming, the number of twists is 2. And if you change your mind, you can stop the procedure anytime by just briefly pressing the kill switch. The PowerCDI M2 ECU works with or without a battery. As a consequence, if the ground wire gets loose or the battery fails altogether, you won't be stopped. If a TPI bike runs rough, or if it doesn't run at all, with M2 ECU it's now a matter of minutes to diagnose the cause and fix it. Apart from traditional diagnostics functions, the M2 ECU features a built-in high-precision multimeter and even a high-speed multi-track oscilloscope to let you look at waveforms of sensors and actuators and thus perform advanced diagnosis on the most obscure components of your bike. No more blind swapping of parts to find the faulty one. To make all these powerful functions accessible, we will make tutorial videos and integrate them inside a very extensive user manual with many practical examples. We also offer several models of feeds with 5 different compression ratios specifically designed and optimized for the TPI, and we provide you with the optimized maps for them ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Future ones will be tutorials in support of the user manual, with practical step-by-step examples to guide you in becoming an expert user of the PowerCDI M2 ECU.